Other types of interest, simple interest that you would need to find include exact interest and ordinary interest. Let's look at the first example. Before we do, the interest, when you're talking about exact interest and ordinary interest, we use the same simple interest formula. I is equal to principal times rate times time. The only difference is that time is in terms of days, not years. If you are trying to find the exact interest, then your denominator will be the number of days over 365. For ordinary interest, the denominator will be the number of days divided by 60. Let's look at this example. Find the exact interest on a loan of $32,600 at 7% annually for 25 days. If the days are not given to you, you must use your sequential numbers table located in your ebook to find the number of days. But here we can plug everything into our simple interest formula. So the principal is $32,600. Remember to change the rate to a decimal, or in this case 0.07. And remember, with ordinary and exact interest, the time is in days, not years. So we put the number of days. And since it is exact interest we're trying to find, divide everything by 365. It's a good idea to multiply the numbers all in the numerator first, and then divide by your denominator. So we have 50 over 365, and then just divide. Now, round your answer depending on the directions. In most cases, the directions will say round your answer to the nearest cent. So to the nearest penny, the exact interest is $156.30. Let's look at another question. A loan for $3,500 with a simple annual interest rate of 11% was made on June 17th and was due on August 2nd of the same year. Find the ordinary interest. We will use the same simple interest formula. I is equal to principal times rate times time. Our principal is $3,500. The rate is 0.11. Unlike the previous example, we're not given the number of days, so we have to find the number of days using the sequential numbers table located in your ebook. When I use the table, the number of days between June 17th and August 2nd is 46. Since we are finding the ordinary interest, divide everything by 360. Again, it's a good idea to multiply all the numbers in the numerator first. So that will give us 17,710. and then divide that by 360. When we round our answer to the nearest penny or cent, we get $49.19 simple interest. So remember, for ordinary and exact interest, you have to divide by either 360 if it's ordinary or 365 if it's exact. And time is given in days. And for some of the problems, you may have to use the sequential number table to find the number of days.